Tired of your boring, default terminal? Let's transform your Ubuntu 2004 terminal from drab to fab in under 2 minutes. First, we're going to change the font. Open your terminal, then go to the Preferences. Look for the text section here. You can choose a new font. I suggest a monospace font like Fira Code for a coding-friendly look. Adjust the font size for readability. Next, let's apply some color. Still in Preferences, navigate to the Colors tab. You have several options. Use a built-in theme, create a custom one, or import a theme. Take a moment here to experiment and find a color scheme that suits your style. Don't feel pressured to pick the first one. The ideal choice ensures easy readability. A big game changer is installing a custom shell. Oh-My-Zsh is a popular and highly customizable shell built on OhMyZsh. You can get it through your terminal's command line. After installation, you'll likely get a default theme. Now, let's customize the shell prompt with Oh-My-Zsh. Configuration is mainly done in the OhMyZsh file, which can be found in your home directory. Edit the OhMyZsh_theme line to change your theme. A vast array of themes are available. You can also customize the prompt itself, adding cool symbols and information. Experiment with the theme. Don't forget about plugins. Oh-My-Zsh supports plugins that add extra features and commands. Browse the plugins directory and pick a few that you like. All of these features are designed to personalize your experience. There you go. You've now got a sleek and stylish Ubuntu terminal. So go ahead, experiment, have fun, and most importantly, enjoy coding.